Hello friends, today we will see Python operators. An operator is a single or a set of special symbols that perform predefined operations on operands. Types of operator. Python has a rich set of operators which are divided into following 7 groups. First, arithmetic operators, comparison or relational operator, assignment operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, membership operators, identity operators. Arithmetic operators. Assume variable a holds 10 and variable b holds 20. Addition adds value on either side of the operator. A plus b will give 30. Subtraction. Subtract right hand operand from left hand operand. A minus b gives minus 10. Multiplication multiplies values on either side of the operator. A into b gives 200. Division divides left hand operand by right hand operand. B divided by A gives 2. Modulus divides left hand operand by right hand operand and returns remainder. B mod A gives remainder 0. Exponent performs exponential power calculation on the operators. A exponent B equal to 10 raised to power 20. Lower division. The division of operands where the result is the quotient in which digits after the decimal points are removed. But if one of the operand is negative, the result is floor, that is rounded away from 0. We will see the execution of it in turn. A is equal to 10, B equal to 20. Now A plus B gives 30, A minus B gives minus 10, A multiplication B gives 200, B division A gives 2, B modulus A gives remainder 0, A exponent B will give 10 raised to power 20. 9 floor division 2 will give 4. 9.0 floor division 2.0 will give 4.0. Minus 11 floor division 3 will give minus 4. Minus 11.0 floor division 3 will give minus 4.0. Here, in floor division, if we not use decimal points, in answer it will not give you values after decimal points. If we will use operands in the form of decimal point, the result will be in the form of decimal point. But it will not give the value after decimal, just give quotient part. Okay. Next is the comparison operator. What is comparison operator? It is used to test the condition. The relational operator or comparison operator results as Boolean true or false. Assume variable A holds 10 and variable B holds 20. Equal to. If the value of two operands are equal, then condition becomes true. Not equal to. If the value of two operands are not equal, then condition becomes true. Greater than. If the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand, then condition becomes true. less than. If the value of left operand is less than the value of right operand, then condition becomes true. Greater than equal to. If the value of left operand is greater than or equal to the value of right operand, then condition becomes true. Less than equal to. If the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand, then condition becomes true. We will execute it in Thorny. Now here A is 10 and B is 20. Suppose I will write A equal to B. So A is the left operand and B is the right operand. Now the value of left operand is not equal to the value of right operand. So it will return us false. Now suppose I will write down A not equal to B. As both values are not equal, it will give us true. A less than B will give true, as 10 is, that is the value of left operand, is less than 20, that is the value of right operand. Now suppose A greater than B. This will return us false because the value of left operand 10 is not greater than the value of right operand 20. So A greater than equal to B. This will return false as 10 is not greater than equal to 20. So A less than equal to B, that is 10 is less than equal to 20. So it will return us true. Now the next operator set is assignment operators. Assignment operators. The first is the equal to. This is the main assignment operator. This assigns the value from the right side operand to the left side operands. Here, the value of A is 10 and B is 20. So, C is equal to A plus B will assign the value of A plus B to the C. That is, the value of C will become 30. Plus equal to. The name is add and. It adds the right operand to the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. For example, C plus equal to A is equivalent to C equal to C plus A. Minus equal, subtract and. It subtracts right operand from the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. C minus equal to A is equivalent to C equal to C minus A. Multiply equal, multiply and. It multiplies right operand with the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. C multiply equal to A is equivalent to C equal to C multiply A. Divide equal to. The name is divide and. It divides left operand with the right operand and assigns the result to the left operand. C divided by equal to A is equivalent to C equal to C divided by A. Modulus equal to modulus and. It takes modulus using two operands and assigns the result to the left operand. C modulus equal to A is equivalent to C equal to C modulus A. Exponent and. It performs exponential calculation on the operators and assigns the result to the left operand. C exponent equal to A is equivalent to C equal to C exponent A. Floor division. It performs floor division on the operators and assigns the value to the left operand. C floor division A is equivalent to C equal to C floor division A. We will perform it in our Thorny. So we know that the value of A is 10 and B is 20. So C equal to A plus B. So here it will not print the result. I will write the sentence print C. It will give us result. Now we will perform the operation addition and. So for that C plus equal to A. Now our C contains 30 and A is 10. It will give us some value which will be stored in C. We will print it, that is 40. Now we will perform subtract and. So for that C minus equal to A. Result will be in C. We will print it 30. Now we will perform multiply and. For that C multiply and A. Result will be in C. We will print it 300. Now we will perform division and. So C divided by A. Result will be again in C. Print C will give us 30. Now we will perform modular division. So for that again 30. Now the content of C will be 30. So I will perform C modular division equal to A. That will store result in C. We will print it. So the remainder of this division will be 0. Now we will perform some exponent operation. Let us say A equal to 3 and B equal to 4. So I will perform B exponent A. So result will be in B. So I will print it. Print B. So it will give us 64 as the 4 raised to power 3 gives 64. Okay. Now we will perform floor division for these two. So B floor division equal to A. We'll perform floor division and store result in B. Print B. So this is the floor division, that is B divided by A. So it will give us the value of B will be 64 divided by A, that is 3 will give us the 21 result. Now we will move to our next operators. This is the logical operators. Logical operators test multiple conditions. Logical operator test multiple conditions and according to the result received from that multiple conditions, the result will be provided to the user. The logical operator also result as the Boolean, that is true or false. For example, variable A holds 10, B holds 20 and C holds 30. And logical and result true if any one or both the operand conditions are true, otherwise false. Logical or results true if both operand conditions are true, otherwise false. Logical not used to reverse the logical state of its operand. Now we will check our program. Again I will assign A equal to 10, B equal to 20, C equal to 30. Now I will perform A less than B. Logical AND A less than C. Now value of A is 10, which is less than B, and value of A is less than C. So both conditions are true. It will return us true. Now I will write down A greater than B and A less than C. This will return us false. We will perform OR operation. A less than B or A less than C. Here it will return us true because value of A is less than B or value of A is less than C. Now we will check for the another, that is A greater than B. This is our false condition and I will write here or A less than C. This will return true because any one of the true condition, one condition becomes true, so it will return true. Now the result of not A less than B. Now we know that value of A is less than B and we are performing not operation of that, so it will return us false. If we will just write down A less than B, it will give us true, but we are performing not operation, so it will give us false. Now we will return to our program. The next type of operator is bitwise operator. Bitwise operators works on bits and performs bit by bit operation. Here we assume the variable A as 1010, that is in decimal the number is 10, and B equal to 0100, in decimal number is 4. For binary AND we will use ampersand. It will result bit 1 if both operand bits are 1, otherwise results bit is 0. So A and B will result 0. Binary or results bit 1 if any of the operand bit is 1, otherwise 0. So it will return us 1 1 1 0, that is in decimal 14. XOR, binary XOR, results bit 1 if any of the operand bit is 1 but not both, otherwise it will result bit 0. Here we will get the result 14. Binary NOT, it is unary and has the effect of flipping the bits. Now here binary left shift. The left operand value is moved left by the number of bits specified by the right operand. For example, A binary left shift 2, the bits of the A are shifted to the left by 2 digits. It will give us new number in decimal as 14. Binary right shift, the left operand value is moved right by the number of bits specified by the right operand. A right shift 2 will give us 2. Now the original value of A will not get changed by the binary left shift or binary right shift operation. We will perform it in Thonic. Now the value of A is equal to 1010 and value of B equal to 0100. A is equal to 10 and B equal to 4. Now in actual it will be perform the operation in binary. So A and B will give us 0 because the value of A is 1010 and value of B is 0100. So it will return true if both are true. So for all the bits it will return us 0. So the result is 0. So A or B will return us 14 because the rule is it will return 1 if the any one of the operand is 1. So from this first 3 bit will be 1 and last bit will be 0. So it will return 14. Now we will perform not binary not operation. So A not B will give us again 14, that is what XOR operation, that is it will return 1 if any one of the operand is 1. Now we will perform left shift. For left shift A left shift we will shift the digit by 2, so it will give us 40 because by shifting all the bits to the left side by 2 digits will give us 101000 will result into decimal 40, but the actual value of A will not get changed. Again A right shift 2, so the value of A is 1010. After right shifting it will give us 10, which is the decimal value 2. Now the next operator is membership operator. The membership operator, there are two operators, in and not in. This operator is available only in Python. So the Python's membership operator is to check the presence of an element or object or value in the specified sequence or in, for example, list, tuple or string. In operator evaluates to true if it finds a variable in the specified sequence and false otherwise. For example, x in y. Here the x is the any value and y is the sequence of the values. We are required to check whether the x is present in y. It will give result 1 if x is the member of sequence y. Not in. Evaluates to true if it does not find a variable in the specified sequence and false otherwise. If x not in y, here not in results in a 1 if x is not a member of sequence of y. We will execute it in Thorny. For example, L is my list which is having elements 10, 20 and 30. Now I will check whether 10 in L. So it will return us true as 10 is the element of L. Suppose I will write 40 in L. As it is not the member of L, it will return false. Now, suppose I will use not in for 40. So 40 not in L will give us true because it is not a member of L. And suppose I will write 10 not in L, as it is the member of L, it will return false. Similarly, we can do it for our string. For example, is equal to KKWPN, and I will check whether K in S, it will return us true as it is the member of that string. Suppose I will use not in S, it will return us false. So we can use these membership operators to check any value whether that is present in the sequence or not. The next operator is the identity operators. Python identity operators are is and is not. Python identity operators are to compare two references whether they points or refers to the same memory location or not. Is evaluates true if the variable on either side of the operator points to the same object, and false otherwise. For example, x is 1, here is result in 1 if x equal to y. Is not evaluates to false if the variable on either side of the operator points to the same object, and true otherwise. X is not y, here not result in 1 if x is not equal to y. Now this identity operator will specify or will be related to the variable which are referring to the same memory location or not. We will execute it in turning. A is equal to 10, B equal to 10, and C equal to 15. I will check whether A is B. As the value of A and B both are same, it will give us result true. Suppose I will check if A is C, it will give us false. Now I will write A is not C. Here it will give us true because both are having different values. Now suppose I will write A is not B. This will give us false because both are having same value referring to same memory location by two different lengths. Okay, so this is all about the identity operators. Now we will move towards the operator precedence. What is the operator precedence? The operator precedence means the priority for the execution of the operator. All the operators written in this table are from high priority to the lower priority. This is useful when your expression is having multiple different types of operator. At that time, you are required to perform the operation of the operators which are having highest precedence. So, exponent is having highest precedence. After that, tilt, plus, minus. This complementary or unary plus or minus. This is having second highest precedence. After that, multiplication, division, third division, modulus. After that, plus, minus. These are binary addition, binary subtraction, right shift, left shift, bitwise and, bitwise exclusive or, regular or, comparison operators, equality operators, assignment operators, identity operators, membership operators, and logical operators. Thank you.